Is your CapCut export stuck at 5%? Don't delete the project. I'm giving you 6 immediate ways to fix this, so you can get your video out today. First, for PC users, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Menu, Settings, and under Performance uncheck Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This is the #1 reason export fail at 5%. Second, remove Pro features. If you're on the free plan, on Pro Transition or Effect will block your export. Scan your timeline, delete anything with a Pro label, and then try again. Third, clear your cache. In your project setting, hit that trash icon. This clears temporary files that might be corrupted without touching your actual video clips. Also, on Performance, you can click on Proxy. If you're using Proxy, you can clear the cache of Proxy too. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Fourth, check your storage. CapCut needs roughly double your video file size in free space to process the export. Make sure you have at least 5 or 10 GB of room on your drive. Fifth, lower your export settings. This works a lot on Mac. If 4K is failing, drop it to 1080p or lower your frame rate to 30 FPS. This reduces the strain on your hardware during the render. This, again, very helpful if you have a Mac. Finally, number 6, the classic one, restart or reinstall. Sometimes you might need new updates for CapCut, so make sure you double check. Close CapCut, restart your device to clear your RAM, and if it still fails, a quick reinstall usually clears those deep system errors. One of these will work. Hit like if you are finally 100% and you can export, and subscribe for more CapCut fixes.
And make sure you double check these 2 cool effects.